What's up everyone? It's me, Jamocha from Sounds Nerdy. So today I have a wonderful laptop stand from Boyata. So let's dive right in. But before I get started, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. So let's get right into this. First off, the laptop stand is made from aluminum alloy, which is sturdy and strong metal, yet very light. The stand weighs less than 3 pounds. The aluminum alloy is also great for venting the heat from the laptop. As you can see here, there is a large hole that allows the heat to be vented so your laptop does not overheat. The stand features skid pads, so when you're typing, your laptop and the stand will not slide around, as well as not scratch up your desktop. As I stated before, the stand is very sturdy. I looked at some customer reviews and I saw some that said that the hinges were very tight and took force to adjust them. Now, to me, this is a great thing. It means that you can type away, bang on your keys, throw a temper tantrum, and your laptop will not move. No, seriously, I banged on the keys and it stayed in place. The hinges are very tight and it stayed locked in place. The laptop tray and the stand are freely adjustable from 0 to 180 degrees. And of course, they will stay at any angle you adjust it to. Adjusting the angles is definitely a two-handed process. The laptop stand is suitable for 11 to 17 inch laptops or tablets. I tested with both 13 and 15 inch models and had no issues. The chrome or metallic color scheme looks modern and stylish and should easily blend in with any decor. Coming in at between $35 and $50 depending on the color scheme you choose, it is far cheaper than some other stands I've seen at or near $100. It is most certainly worth the price, and it's very durable and sturdy and does not feel cheap in any way. It looks good, feels good, and works good. If you're in the market for a laptop stand, you should definitely give this a strong look. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get all our new content. Make sure to check me out on social media as well, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Stay nerdy.